his eyes. Down below, Sammy the Sloth slowly made his way to a comfy branch. "Good night, trees," he murmured, wrapping his arms around a sturdy trunk. The leaves rustled softly, as if whispering their own good night. In the river, Oliver the Otter floated on his back, looking up at the darkening sky. "Good night, river," he called, splashing a low wave. The water shimmered and gently rocked him to sleep. High above, Paula the parrot nestled in her nest. "Good night, flowers," she squawked, her voice echoing through the canopy.